Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. So my dear students, this is your subject teacher of maths and today I am here to teach you maths. So students, at this time our topic that we are going to discuss is comparing numbers. So students, in our earlier video I taught you about how to compare the numbers and you will learn how to identify the bigger number as well as smaller number. So I hope you understood the concept of bigger and smaller number. Now students, let's move on to our next topic. So students, by comparing numbers we can find out if a number is greater than, less than or equal to another number. Now let's meet the alligator family. So students, do you know water alligator? Have you ever seen crocodile? Yes, I know. You seen? You saw the crocodile or alligator? Now students, here Mr. Less than and Mr. More than both are the member of the alligator family. Students, the alligator is feeling very hungry, and remember the alligator always want to eat the bigger number. So students, do you know the alligator always want to eat the bigger number? Bigger number, it means greater number. Okay, so this is Mr. Greater than. Greater means bigger, and the symbol of greater than is like this. It means the alligator always open his mouth to a big number, to a bigger number. Okay, students, this is a Mr. Less than. Less than means smaller number or smaller. Symbol of less than is like this. Okay, now students, this is equal to. Equal to means the same as. If both number are same, then we put a symbol of equal to like this. Okay, now students, look here. Which alligator will eat this fish? Students, look here. There are 5 fish here and 7 fish here. So alligator always want to eat the bigger number, a greater number. So here, which alligator will eat this fish? Yes, Mr. Less than. The symbol of less than is like this. So here 5 is less than 7. Now students, look here, greater than and less than. So students, here some fishes are given. Let's count them and compare the both group of fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 fish in first group, and in second 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 fish in next group or second group. So students, here we have to put the symbol of greater than, and the symbol of greater than is like this. 6 is greater than 4. Now it's time for you to use all the symbol greater than, smaller than or equal to. So students, look here at the first picture. We have to compare both the apple. Here in first apple the number is 15 and second 11. So which number is greater? Yes, 15. So here we have to put the symbol of greater than. Next 9 and 3. So when we compare the number 9 and 3, we find 9 as the greater number. So here we have to put the symbol of greater than. Now students, look here, 12 and 12, both number are same. So here we have to put the symbol equal to. Now in next 5 and 7. So students, number 5 is less than the number 7. So here we have to put the symbol of less than. I hope you understood the concept of greater than and smaller than and equal to. And I am sure that when you are asked, you can tell this topic very well. So students, here the question number first that I taught you in our previous video. Let's recall this. The first one, count and tick which has less, cross out which has more. So students, you know very well, in first basket there are 8 mangoes and in second there are 10 mango. So in first you have to tick and in second you have to cross, because first basket has less mangoes, so you have to tick here, and the second basket has more mangoes, so here you have to cross. Similarly in second one there are 5 pencils in first picture, so here you have to tick because it is less, and in second 9 pencils are here, so it is more, so you have to cross here. Jack has 4 balls, Aman has 2 balls. So students, here Jack has 4 balls, the green ball, and Aman has 2 balls, the red ball. So here the number 4 is more than 2, so we say 4 is greater than 2. So we write 4 is greater than 2. So similarly in second, Geeta has doll, Diya has 2 dolls. Geeta has 1 doll. Look at the picture, and Diya has 2 dolls. So students, 1 is less than 2. So we say that 1 is less than 2. So here we have to put the symbol of less than. So we write 1 is less than 2. Now I can do it. Now can write greater than or smaller than the circle. So students, in first picture there are 5 oranges, and in second picture there are 6 oranges. So students, 5 is less than 6, so here we have to put the symbol of less than. The next one, there were 2 ducks in the first pond and 4 ducks in the second pond. So students, the number 2 is, sorry students, in first one you have to there were 2 ducks, and in second there are 4 ducks. So here you have to put the symbol of less than, because 2 is less than 4. So I hope you understood this topic very well by the help of this video. Thank you students. Bye and take care.